Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Catherine Michelle Pineda Ventura. Today, I am going to explain an interesting topic. The topic is personal items. Okay, personal items are artículos personales in Spanish. But first, I am going to explain the objective of this class. Okay, the objective of this class is by the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify vocabulary about personal items from videos, short paragraphs, and audios in order to that the students develop writing. This is important skills and speaking skills. Then the students and apply this vocabulary in real life situations. So this topic is very important because when the students know the vocabulary related to the topic, the students are going to apply this vocabulary in real life situations. So to, okay, first I am going to explain the meaning of personal items. So personal items are objects that help us in our learning process. So it is important that the students always have their personal items in their backpack. So, okay, now I am going to present some vocabulary related to the topic. Okay, the first word is highlighted. Highlighted. Highlighted help you highlight a test. For example, when the teacher assigned that the student have to read paragraph highlighted, this object help you to highlight the most important information of a test. So it's very important to know this this object, this word highlighted. The other word is color pencil. Color pencil. Color pencil in Spanish is lápiz de color. So, color pencil help you to color a drawing. The other word is notebook. Notebook. The use of this object is that a notebook help you write down important class notes. Notebook. Notebook. Okay. The other word is tape. Tape, the use of this object is that help you to grab a gift or to join two paper. So this is the last one. Okay. Now I am going to repeat the pronunciation and then you are going to repeat after me. Highlighted. Highlighted. Notebook. Notebook. Color pencil. Color pencil. Tape. Tape. Okay. Now I am going to present the object but you are going to tell me what is the the name of the object. Okay, what is this? What is the name of this object? Okay, the name is notebook. Notebook. What is the name of this object? The name is tape. Okay. What is the name of this object? The name is highlighted. What is the name of this? It's a color pencil. Okay. So thank you so much for pay attention.
Hello guys, now I'm going to continue with the development of the class, and in this part of the class we are going to see a vocabulary list in where we are going to recognize and learn the correct pronunciation of each word. So let's start. Here we have the first object, and we can use this object to resolve mathematical problems. It is a calculator. Calculator. Then we had the next object here, and we can use this object to put inside different things like notebooks, books, pencils, and color pencils. It is a backpack. Backpack. Then here we had the next object, and we can use this object to stick something like a paper or another material. It is a glue. Glue. Here we have the next object, and we can use this item to delete something written in our notebook. It is a eraser. Eraser. So continue with the class. We have the next object here, and we can use this object to make something sharp. For example, a pencil or a color pencil. It is a sharpener. Sharpener. Here we have the next object, and we can use this item to draw or write something in our notebook. It is a pencil. Pencil. Here we have the next object, and we can use this item to measure something or to draw lines or a chart in our notebook. It is a ruler. Ruler. Then we have the next item, and we can use this item to cut paper or another material. It is a scissors. Scissors. Continue with the class. Here we have the next object, and we can use this object to put inside different things like pencil, color pencils, and another small things. It is a pencil box. Pencil box. Then we have the next object, and we can use this item to write something in our notebook. It is a pen. Pen. Here we have the next object and the last one, and we can use this object to read about any topic. It is a book. Book. So this is all for my part. Now my classmates is going to continue with the development of the class.
Hey, hello again. On this opportunity, I'm going to continue explain about personal items. Well, there are many kind of personal items, but in this opportunity, I'm going to focus on personal items referred to a school. Well, the first personal item that I had is a book. This is a written text that can be published in a print or electronic form. Well, as we can already know, I think we can find a book in a physical book, and also we can find a electronic book. You can search on internet and find an interesting book, and I think it is very good for that. Um, an example is yesterday I bought an interesting book. Well, the other example is the other iron, I'm sorry, is scissors, and a clear definition is this is a device used for cutting materials such as paper, clothes, hair, consisting of two sharp blades that are joined in the middle and two handles with hole to put your fingers out. This is a clear uh, definition because it's describing exactly uh, the characteristic of scissors. And an example is my little brother is using scissors to cut some drawings. Well, the other personal iron that I had is glue, and this is just to join two pieces together using a strong glue. The other is similar and it is tape. Well, a tape is a narrow strip of material typically used to hold or fasten something. This is similar because I think they had something in common that there is that both, as we know, join two things. The other one is pencil case. This is interesting because we use this pencil case when you had a growth of pencil, and you can pour it inside of this. There is pencil case. Well, an example is my mom bought me yesterday a new pencil case. The other is eraser. This is just when you are writing with a pencil and you made many mistakes, and you can remove the letters, the words uh, with this. That's it. There is eraser, and the definition is a small piece of rubber just to remove the marks made by a pencil. The other one is highlighter. This is interesting because we can um, get an get emphasis to sentence or words with this there is highlighter, and this is a special pen containing green ink just to mark words in a book, magazine. You can emphasize that word or sentence with this interesting personal learner. The other one is a ruler. Well, a ruler is a long, narrow, flat or plastic, metal or wood with a strain each where centimeters or inches or both are printed. It is used for measuring scenes and for drawing a straight line. Well, I'm sorry, um, we can find this tool with in plastic, metal, or wood. And also another characteristic is this is used for measuring scenes for drawing a straight line. And the other and last one is a color pencil. And this is an art medium constructed of narrow pigmented core encased in a wooden cylindrical case. And that was my participation for now. I hope you learned a little about this, and that was a pleasure for me. Thank you.
Well, I will talk about pairs of things. As we know, English is very confusing at times, so I will try to make sense of things that comes in pairs. For example, is this one item or two items? Think about it for a minute. Or how about this? Or this? Notice I said these with jeans and these for sandals, but both are commonly referred to in the plural. For example, these jeans are too tight. Those sandals look nice. Why is that? Well, in English, we sometimes refer to single items in the plural because we consider them as a pair having a two parts or components. Uh, for example, scissors. The word is always plural. We perceive the objects as having two cutting blades which work together, and the item functions as a pair of things. For this reason, we refer to them in the plural. Example, the scissors are huge. They are on the table. We do not say one scissor because that's incorrect. But what if we want to refer to a single item? In that case, we have to say a pair of scissors. We count the pairs. For example, one pair of scissors, two pair of scissors. The word scissors remains plural, but pair changes. Let's look at some more examples. Here are some single items that are referred to in a plural. A pair of pliers, a pair of tweezers, tongs, fingernail clippers. This is because they have two blades working together. Here are some more related items. Notice that each item has two lenses. For example, a pair of glasses, a pair of sunglasses, goggles, and binoculars. So, but there are like other things like can be say different. For most other pair items, for example, they can uh, be say individually or as a set. For example, one shoe, two shoes, a pair of shoes. Notice that these items can be say separate from one another.
Hi guys, welcome to the class. Um, I'm going to continue with the class. In this case, I'm going to start with the practice uh, about the vocabularies, personal items. Okay, I'm going to short my screenshot. Okay, with you to see this activity. Okay. Okay, this is the activity. Um, as you know, uh, this is the activity uh, about vocabulary, uh, vocabulary exactly about I personal items. Okay, um, we have started. Okay, we have in the box, okay, 12 words of the vocabulary. Um, in partner, okay, uh, we are going to following the activity. Uh, the activity asks transfers the correct vocabulary to the object seen in class. We have book, notebook, scissors, glue, tape, pencil case, pencil, pencil, pen, eraser, highlighter, ruler, color pencil. Okay. Then we have the pictures. Okay, we have the pictures. Uh, you have um, to um, to get from the box from the this vocabulary. Okay, from here, and you are going to write on the picture. Okay, with uh, it correctly vocabulary. Okay, you are going to call it. Okay, and we have 12 picture and 12 um, words or vocabulary about personal items. Okay, now this, okay, this is the practice. Okay, this practice uh, in partner. Okay, after this activity, okay, you could ask yourself, what about homework? Okay, homework. The homework is going to be look, okay, look for your personal items, and you have to give me in your book, okay, the the name, okay, the vocabulary about your personal items, okay, about your personal what you have, okay. This is homework, and this is homework is to next class, okay. Um, this is all for this class. Thank you for joining this class. Okay. Um, be careful in this time. Uh, take care. Okay. And don't forget take a shower. Okay. And see the next time. Okay. Thank you for your attention also.